What is the difference between मैं, मुझको and मुझे? Let's learn about that. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Sara and on this channel I teach Urdu as a second language. It's very confusing to know what is the difference between मैं, मुझे and मुझको. So that's what we're gonna learn today. So first we're gonna see मैं. मैं in Urdu is I. मैं सारा हूँ. मैं सारा हूँ. I am Sara. मैं जा रही हूँ. I am going. मैं जा रही हूँ. मैं पढ़ाती हूँ. मैं पढ़ाती हूँ. I teach. So basically the verb will always be हूँ. मैं हूँ. मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं फारिग हूँ. So this is मैं. Now what is मुझको or मुझे? They both have the same meaning. Mujhe I think is more common. Now let's dissect it. Mujhko. So if you separate it, muj and ko. Ko means to. It's a postposition. To. Sometimes it also means by and sometimes it means have and has. But here we're going to focus on ko. Now let's see muj. So muj is मैं basically. When मैं comes before a postposition ko, it changes into its oblique form, that is muj. So it's मैं going into an oblique form, muj. It changes in the same manner when it is before se and me. So mujhse, मुझ में. So there are three postpositions that change me into मुझ. मुझको, मुझ में, मुझसे. But here in this lesson, we're going to focus on मैं with को. I hope it is clear. मुझको or मुझे. For convenience, let's just say मुझे from now onwards. What we'll do now is I will tell you 5 different constructions and 5 different contexts in which you can use मुझे. The first one I'm sure you have all heard of. मुझे मछली पसंद है. Let's say that. मुझे मछली पसंद है. Do you know what it means? मुझे मछली पसंद है. मछली is fish. मुझे is to me. मुझे मछली पसंद है. What it means is I like. पसंद is like. It's an adjective. It's an adjective. मुझे मछली पसंद है. I like fish. If you see it literally, what it means is the fish is liked by me. The fish is liked by me. Another meaning is the fish is appealing to me. मुझे मछली पसंद है. The fish is appealing to me. I like fish. It's a very common sentence and you can say मुझे पहाड़ पसंद है. मुझे समंदर पसंद है. मुझे चांद पसंद है. मुझे चाय पसंद है. मुझे कॉफ़ी पसंद है. मुझे तुम पसंद हो. Now remember that in this context, in this construction, the object is going to control the verb. With मैं सारा हूँ और मैं पढ़ाती हूँ, the subject controls the verb. But in this context, it's an object case. The object will control the verb. So, मुझे तुम पसंद हो. I like you. So the ending is ho because tum is ending with ho. Because tum is controlling the verb. Tum is you. Suppose we change tum to aap. Do you know the verb ending? Do you know how the sentence will end? It will be मुझे आप पसंद हैं. मुझे आप पसंद हैं. So this is I like you. Let's see the second construction or the second context in which we can use मुझे. In the second context, we use मुझे as have to or has to. मुझे जाना है. मुझे जाना है. Jana. Do you know what jana is? It's a verb. It's the infinitive form of the verb or the dictionary form of the verb. the base form of the verb. Jana means to go. Mujhe is I have to. I have to. Mujhe jana hai. I have to go. Mujhe jana hai. I made a long video on this and you can find the link here or in the description box. If you want to learn a specific grammar point or tense, you can see this playlist. Now let's make more sentences like this. Mujhe khana hai. I have to eat. Mujhe sona hai. I have to sleep. This is where you can use mujhe, where it means have to or has to. Now let's move forward. The third construction is mujhe chahiye. Mujhe chahiye. What it means is I need, or it's needed by me. Needed by me. What we can do is we can put anything between this. We can put a noun. Mujhe pani chahiye. I need water. Mujhe pani chahiye. Mujhe coffee chahiye. I need coffee. What you can also do is you can put the infinitive verb here as well. Mujhe jana chahiye. Mujhe jana chahiye. Jana means to go. Mujhe jana chahiye. Can you guess what it means? It means I need to go. It also means I should go. Mujhe jana chahiye. It's a very common sentence when people are leaving and they're going back to their own home. Ab mujhe jana chahiye. Now I should go. Now I have to leave. Now I need to go. Mujhe ab sona chahiye. I need to sleep. I should sleep. Mujhe sona chahiye. Now our fourth construction is imperatives. When you're giving command. Basically, the object, the human object, is always marked with a ko if it's not marked with any other postposition. So, for example, mujhe paise do. This is a command. Mujhe paise do. Give me money. Give money to me. Paise is money. Do means give. Give money to me. Tum is you. Tum mujhe paise do. So the object is main and it's marked with ko. As I said, the human objects are marked with ko, and when it's marked with ko, it becomes mujhe. So to me, mujhe. Mujhe paise do. Sometimes we even skip or miss the subject. We say mujhe paise do. Mujhe pani do. Give me water. Mujhe call karo. Mujhe call karo. Do the call to me. Call karna is to do. Now again, if you want to learn commanding or imperative sentences, you can check out this video. So mujhe call karo. Give the call to me or do the call to me, which means call me. Mujhko batao. Mujhko batao. Tell to me. Mujhko batao, which means tell me. You have to tell me. Tum mujhe batao. तो मुझे बताओ. बताना is the verb to tell. आज तुम मुझे पिज़्ज़ा खिलाओ. आज तुम मुझे पिज़्ज़ा खिलाओ. Feed pizza to me or buy me a pizza. So again, the object is मैं, which is me, marked by postposition को, becomes मुझे. तुम मुझे पिज़्ज़ा खिलाओ. Our final construction is when you're talking about having an abstract possession. I have love. I have freedom. Talking about diseases or ailments. So I have fever. I have flu. I have cough. That's when you can use mujhe as I have. So mujhe azadi hai. Mujhe azadi hai means I have freedom. Freedom is an abstract noun. It's an abstract idea. So mujhe azadi hai means I have freedom. मुझे आज़ादी है. मुझे मोहब्बत है. मुझे मोहब्बत है means I have love. मुझे मोहब्बत है. Or with ailments, मुझे बुखार है. बुखार is fever. मुझे बुखार है. मुझे खांसी है. आज मुझे बहुत खांसी है. Which means I have cough today. I'm coughing a lot. आज मुझे बहुत खांसी है. आज मुझे बहुत नज़ला है. आज मुझे बहुत नज़ला है. Nazla is flu. I have flu today. Did you learn something new today? If you have, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a lovely day and goodbye.